Hey guys, Brent Boyer again. So let's talk divorce. I wanted to talk today about this idea of should you fire your divorce attorney? Or another way to look at it is when should you fire your divorce attorney? Or how do I go about doing that? So it's a valid question. It comes up. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes being fired. Nobody likes having to change attorneys, get rid of somebody. That's always a weird situation, but it happens. It can definitely be appropriate depending on what's going on in your divorce case and where you are in what stage you're in and where things are at. And sometimes you just get a feeling like this isn't working for me. I can tell you the number one complaint people have about attorneys is they don't return my calls. That's like the number one thing. They're not getting back to me. They don't respond to me. We see it all the time. Somebody will make a choice. Really, it's driven by cost. They hire somebody that seems pretty cheap, cost effective, and then they never hear from them again. It happens all the time. It goes hand in hand. The lower the cost, the less the service, the less likely they're going to know what they're doing, the less likely they're going to handle things properly. So if you're looking at, I need to change attorneys, I need to make a decision here, go a different direction, and you're going through a divorce, you certainly can do it. There's nothing wrong with that. It happens. We've been fired. Everybody gets fired. Divorce is an emotional time for people. There's certainly, you got enough problems without worrying about your lawyer and that relationship too. Sometimes you need to divorce your divorce lawyer, right? You just need to move on. We understand that, and it's certainly something that happens. We can give you a second opinion, give you some idea on what that looks like and how that would go. As far as when you would do it, you don't want to wait till the night before your trial or way into the case. Sometimes it's too long. It's too far into the process to be able to really change attorneys. It's just too late. And we'll tell people that sometimes. We'll meet with them. We'll just say, your attorney, you're too far in to really be changing somebody and doing something else. But a lot of the times we can help. You can get somebody different, take a different direction, get some fresh eyes on it, get a new energy, and get things going. Sometimes people just burn out with each other, and it's been too long and going on, and you're not getting anywhere, and the person's not really your lawyer's not responding anymore, and that can certainly happen too. What are the reasons people fire their attorney? Yeah, one is they're just not responding. That's number one. A second one is, you want to make sure your lawyer is actually a divorce lawyer. You're not, there's no requirement that you be specialized in this field, but it certainly helps. I mean, you want somebody that, if you're doing divorce, you want somebody that knows divorce. If you're doing a bankruptcy, you want someone that knows bankruptcy. You don't want just some jack of all trades or some lawyer nobody's ever heard of. So check around. If you're having your suspicions, you feel like they're not doing that great of a job, ask some people that do just divorce and family law. Have they heard of this lawyer? Because all the time, someone will come in here and they want a second opinion on their case, and I look at the name of their attorney and I've never heard of them, and I've been doing this 25 years. So how are they doing a lot of divorce and family law work and I've never seen their name? So that's always a warning sign that, yeah, maybe you're on, you got the wrong lawyer in the first place. So that's a consideration. You want to look at, is your case not really making any progress? You want to be feeling like it's going forward, making progress. People work on deadlines. So create deadlines. Keep things moving. You don't want your case just going on and on. That's a bad sign, a good reason to change attorneys. If you have an attorney that's just not answering your questions, not explaining things to you, that's no good either. You don't need that. You need to get somebody that knows what they're doing and knows how to explain it to you and knows how to help you through the process. So, those are some things to consider here. That's it. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing to feel bad about. Sometimes you need a different attorney, and that's the deal. So I hope that helps.